Hey, what's up, champions? Gediminas here. Hope you guys are doing fantastically well. Welcome to Financial Freedom TV. And today I wanted to talk about how to make your business more successful. So if you're watching a replay of this video, please do me a massive favor and stick hashtag replay into the comments. If you're brand new, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, please do say new in the comments as well. Would love to say hi and welcome you to the tribe. And if you get value from this video, if you learn something, feel free to share it. Maybe somebody else will also get value from this video. So the lesson for today, we can actually learn from the franchises, and especially McDonald's franchise. And somebody once asked, why is McDonald's franchise so successful? Why this business model works so well, and there's so many successful restaurants and they make pretty decent money, and there's like the model really works. And the answer to that question is that McDonald's franchise is designed to be run by people with the lowest level of skill. McDonald's franchise is designed to be run by people with the lowest level of skill. Now, that's not derogatory. That's not to be mean to people who work in McDonald's or run the restaurants. It's actually a positive thing to say about the system. So the system is designed that there's plenty of people who work in McDonald's who are super smart and super sharp and incredible individuals. But the business is designed that even though if the person is not super smart, even if the person is not genius, even if the person hasn't got free higher education degrees, they can still work the business. They can still run the business. Understand what I'm saying? That's why if you look at McDonald's, a lot of McDonald's restaurants, they're run by teenagers. They're run by, 18, 19-year-olds, right? How the heck are they managing to run a business with these young people? Because it's designed to be run by people with the lowest level of skill. Think about how genius that is. Because so many of us make our business so complicated, so intricate, so sophisticated that a person has to be super smart, super sharp in order to be able to run the business, in order to be able to do, what has to be done in a business. But if you simplify your business so that your business could be done by the people with the lowest level of skill, then you're making it available, first of all, to a much wider audience, and you're also making it more duplicatable. You're making it easier to be run by different people. So think about, are you complicating your business all the time, or are you simplifying it? Because the more simple you can make it, the more straightforward, the more basic, so that even an 8-year-old could look at your systems and structures and understand how it works, the more successful you can be, because the more people can actually do it and run with it. Okay? So that's my tip for today, my friends. Hope you got value. If you did, feel free to share it. Have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.